Alright, now I'm unboxing something else. So yeah, I've been unboxing stuff for the past 28 days. Every day. If I can get this open, that'd be great. What is this box made out of? There we go. There we go. Turns out it wasn't made out of anything strong. It was just holding on for dear life. Okay, now let's take it out of the box and there it is. Okay, I gotta move the hair out of my face. There we go. This is the Magic Keyboard for iPad. Now I do have my iPad right here if you didn't notice already. And don't need that. And here we go. So let's open it up. And I know I'm a bit late to this, and there probably is going to be a new one soon. I'm not sure, but guess what? I don't care. This is still going to be great. There we go. Tear all that plastic stuff off of there. Yet again, tearing more plastic off, and there it is. And I guess it's like a normal Apple box where you just, you know, slide it out like this. Any day now. Wow, this is taking forever. I'm just going to have to cut some of this. Wow. There we go. All right. I don't have a second camera this time. I mean, I do. Why isn't this working? Was that not going the whole time? Oh my god. Ooh, that feels really nice. Feels really nice. Alright. Okay, so it's made out of like the silicone, whatever, from the iPhone cases, which I don't have one now. I mean, I have the usual case. I don't have the other one, by the way. I took it off because it's a little bit harder to take off, and I kind of need to take it off sometimes. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, go watch my other video. It'll be on the iCard somewhere. Anyway, moving on. It comes with an iPad. This is not an iPad. It's just the... Okay, well, we don't need this box anymore. Let's open it up. Ooh, man. I'm excited. Ooh, there it is. And there's the packaging and stuff that comes with. I'm not sure really what it comes with exactly, except for just this. I don't think it comes with an Apple sticker. Kind of sad. I already have enough of those anyway. There it is. Been waiting all day for this, so let's take off the Apple Pencil. I'll have a complete iPad after this. A complete, fully, whatever iPad. So, get rid of that stupid case. And here's the iPad. And we just, here, let me bend it back a little bit. There we go. Oh, not that easy. There we go. And it lights up. It lights up right now. Look at that. Awesome. This is amazing. And the funny thing is, I actually just saw one of these not even that long ago, and I was like, ooh, I'm getting that today. Yeah, I have the complete, fully functional iPad now. It's more like a MacBook with the touchscreen. Look at that. It closes. Of course it does. If it didn't, that'd be a problem. It's a little bit more heavy than the iPad itself, but that's just because if it was lighter than the iPad, then it would fall over in certain situations. It's a little bit difficult to open at first, but once you have it open, it's like, alright. Swiping around already. It is amazing. Wow, this is such a great keyboard. It's a little bit small, like compared to, you know, what I usually use, but it's still a really good keyboard. Wow, that is, I mean, I'm not typing anything specific, but I'm just typing. So I'm actually going to do a little screen recording so I can show you where to go whenever you need to change the brightness of the keyboard if you want to. I don't know why you would, but maybe if you want to turn it off just to save some battery, something like that, then do that. I don't know why I touched the screen there, but as you can see, I'm moving my trackpad around. I'm gonna have to turn down the sensitivity a little bit because it's a little bit much. All you need to do is go to keyboard, hardware keyboard, and then you can turn down the brightness or turn it up if you want to. And I mean, that's about it. I mean, you can change modifier keys and stuff. Caps lock key, you can change that. But yeah, this is really cool. I really like this. And we're using it all the time. So if you have any questions about this or the other things that I have unboxed before, then just comment down below. I don't get many comments, so I'll be very likely to see your comment. And if I don't respond for some reason, it's either because I'm busy or because I have no idea what you're talking about. So there might be a new one coming out, and it's gonna be like, it's gonna have the option for you to like lay it back farther or something like that maybe. I just wanted this one now because they could be like, oh, it's ready to ship or whatever, and then like a year later you're still waiting for it. So still waiting for AirTags. I will be doing that, by the way, if it ever comes out. Thanks for watching. This has been a quick video. If you want a whole review on this very product right here in the iPad experience and stuff like that, then well, let me know down in the comments. Bye.